Good morning students. This is class 3rd, Social Studies, lesson 16, Knowing Our Earth. Children, in this video you will learn about few points that are related to our earth, that is globe, map, directions and compass. Children, in the previous video, in the previous lesson, the solar system, you have studied about the universe, the planets, sun, moon, stars and the satellites. Children, you have also studied that there are 8 planets in our solar system and Earth is the 3rd planet of the solar system. Children, you know Earth is the only planet where life exists. Why? Because Earth has water to drink and air to breathe. Children, the 3/4 surface of the Earth is covered with water. Earth is round in shape and it is huge in size, children. And when you see Earth from space, you can see that Earth is round in shape. Okay. Now children, let us study about the first point of this lesson, that is globe. What is globe? Globe is a small model of Earth. This is globe, children. This is globe. Globe is the small model of Earth. It shows you land. The brown part is land and the blue part is water. Okay. Children, globe is tilt on its axis and it rotates on its axis, and when it takes one round it is called rotation, and when it moves and take one round of the sun it is called revolution. Okay. Now children, just see. The same way Earth also moves. It is little tilt on its axis. Now children, let us study about the second topic of this lesson, that is map. What is map, children? A map is an accurate chart of a place. What is map? Map is a chart of a place and it will give you the correct information about the place. Now children, I am having the map of India. See children, this is map. This is the map of India. Okay. And see children, when you see correctly, it will give you the correct information about all the cities and the states. Just see, here it is written New Delhi, and New Delhi is the capital of our country India, and this is our state Uttar Pradesh, the yellow one. This is our state Uttar Pradesh, and here is our city Gorakhpur, and the capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, is given here. Okay children, so what is map? Map is an accurate chart of a place. This is map of India. And children, this is the book, and this book is called Atlas. This book is called Atlas. What is Atlas? The book that contains different types of map is called an Atlas. Just see. Atlas is a book and it contains different types of map of your country also and of the world also. Okay children, see, this is Atlas. The book that contains different types of map is called an Atlas. Now children, map are of 2 types. First one is the physical map and second one is the political map. See children, this is physical map and this is political map. Okay. Physical map. On physical map children, you can see the mountains, rivers, valleys. Okay. And on the political map children, you can see the cities, the states and the different places. All these things you can locate on political map, whereas on physical map children, you can see mountains, rivers, valleys, plains. Okay. So maps are of 2 types. First one is the physical map and second one is the political map. Children, you can see here. This is the map of Jammu and Kashmir children, and this is all mountains. Okay. You see mountains, whereas in political map children, you can just see the names of the city, okay, states, all these things. And children, just remember, you can carry map or atlas anywhere. Suppose you are traveling somewhere, so you can carry the chart or you can carry atlas also. But nowadays children, we can see things, see places on our phone also. Phone, there is one app, that is map. On that children, you can locate the places very easily. Now children, the third topic of this lesson is directions. Children, there are 4 main directions, that is east, west, north and south. Now children, just see. This is sun. The sun rises from east. Now children, when you face the sun, the direction that you are facing is east. I am facing the sun, so that direction is east, and at my back will be west. At my back will be west, and so children, my right hand side will be which direction? That will be south, and my left hand side will be which direction? That will be north. Children, remember, the direction from where the sun rises is the east, and when we are facing east, the back side is west, and then the right hand side will be the south and the left hand side will be the north. And children, the main direction east, west, north and south, they are called the cardinal direction. They are called cardinal direction. Now children, just listen carefully, this is very important. When you see map of any country or any place, children, remember, don't think that again the top part is east and the down part is west and this is south and this is north. This is very wrong. Children, when you see map, children, remember, in the map the top part is always the north. The top part is always north, and children, when the top part will be north, then down will be south. Then down will be south, and then children, the right hand side of the map will be east and the left hand side of the map will be west. This is very important, children. Whenever you see the map, children, remember, the top part is always north, down one is the south, the right hand side is east and the left hand side of the map is west. So children, remember one thing, when I'll give you directions to draw in the classwork copy, remember children, you will draw this one. This is what you will draw in the classwork copy. The top part will be north, down one will be south, your right hand side will be east and your left hand side will be west. This you will draw in your classwork copy, but children, if you will draw like this also, then also it will be correct, like east, west, south and north. But children, try to learn this one. Okay, this one is just to explain you. Okay, now children, very important, children, this is very important, just listen carefully. There are 4 more directions that are derived from the cardinal directions. Just listen carefully. The direction that we get that are derived from south and east is southeast. The direction that are derived from south and west is southwest. Same with this side also, the directions that are derived from north and east will become northeast, and the directions that are derived from north and west will be northwest, and so they are called derived direction: northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Children, east, west, north and south, they are called cardinal direction, the main directions, and the directions that comes from all the main directions is called derived direction, that is southeast, southwest, northwest and northeast. Children, remember, these points are very important. Children, the last topic of this lesson is compass. What is compass, children? A compass is an electronic or magnetic device used to find cardinal directions, and compass is used by mariners. Who are mariners? People who go in sea. Okay, because in sea, children, there is no road and also how will they make out the directions? Only with the help of compass. And children, compass points the direction that is north. So children, when it points north direction, so mariners, they can easily make out the other direction. As I have told you, if the compass will point the north direction, so if the compass is pointing the north direction, then back will be south, and then your right side will be the east and your left side will be the west. Okay children, it is very simple for mariners to make out the direction with the help of compass. Children, I don't have compass, and as you can see it is in the book also, and this is the picture of compass.
Know more of this lesson. A map has a scale. The top of the map is north. Important points of this lesson. A globe is a small model of Earth. A map is an accurate chart of a place. East, west, north and south are the cardinal directions. A compass shows the directions.
Now children, just read the lesson and watch the video carefully. Okay, thank you very much.